Japan's Shinzo Abe has resigned as the prime minister on account of health reasons. Nikkei was down on Friday 1.4%, but this, I believe, could reverberate in trading on Monday as well, as it's a very major thing. Shinzo Abe was one of the pioneers in many economic turns that Japan was able to bring over the last many years. A very well respected Prime Minister Shinzo Abe had made good rapport with many leaders across the world, and his resignation definitely comes as a shocker. And many economic decisions that Japan made squarely attributed to Shinzo Abe. So that is one of the reasons which could reverberate throughout world stock markets on Monday. Although the news had come on Friday, but I believe they are yet to be digested fully. Dow Jones closing nicely, positively higher on Friday, over 150 points, and there is Dow is now positive, by the way, for the year 2020, and S&P 500 and Nasdaq already at all-time highs. In this scenario, I had mentioned last week that we may have a negative momentum on Monday, a little negative scenario I could see, but I had also warned a sharp turnaround and a very sharp sudden upward turn around 3 p.m. tomorrow. Many viewers have asked me whether I still hold the position in view of the fact that Dow Jones had closed so positively on Friday, and we are almost nearing the opening, some more hours for the Nifty and the Sensex on Monday morning. And second question, that whether the negative momentum that I'm talking about in the Indian stock markets pertains only to India, or whether that can translate or reverberate across United States where it opens for trading. Well, first of all, I still hold the same position. Again, this is to the best of my knowledge and belief. You should also and always do your own homework before you invest your hard-earned money. So I always, in every video, I've mentioned that. Secondly, the American markets need not be having the negative momentum that I'm expecting in India and rest of Asia tomorrow morning. And in fact, as far as the FTSE, the German DAX and the French CAC is concerned, just like a few hours after trading, as they move into their day session, we may find their markets also turn strongly positive. So this is a global gauge that I'm trying to do based on many proprietary formulae. And before I end, I always want to mention that I really pray to God that my advice comes to be of use to people. People benefit, and never no intention that anything ever goes wrong. I should be a little more forthcoming in many videos, and sometimes if I am expecting a fall within just a duration, I think I should specify that more, which I will. Like Friday, I was expecting a fall for like an hour around 12:30, 1:30, and that's what happened. But I should be clearly mentioning this in the future. Yet the momentum should be by and large negative on Monday, I felt, and very sharp rebound I feel in the last half hour. So let's see. Let's wait and open for trading, and we should be able to see that. But I still, to answer the viewers' questions, I still hold the view that market should, by and large, be having a negative undertone most of the day, and very sharp positive undertone rebound in the last half hour after 3 p.m. tomorrow, Monday, which is 31st of August 2020. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.